So in the given question, basically we need to find the value of h, that is height of the tree. So here this angle is given as 59 degree. This is h and this is 45 feet. So if this is the angle, so this would be treated as perpendicular and this length will be treated as base. base. So we are aware of the fact that tan theta is equals to opposite side or perpendicular. It is ratio of perpendicular upon base, and in this case perpendicular is the height of the tree and that is AB, and that is simply h.